everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. I want to go over today's session. Today is Thursday, and it's March 8th, 2012. And I want to give a recap of the trading session, which is the U.S. session, and that lasts from 7:40 a.m. New York time to 10:45 a.m. New York time. And before we start, I want to go over the euro dollar, which we did not trade today because of the press conference. It was a bit choppy. They were running a lot of stops. The euro took another ride higher, and it outpaced the previous daily highs, boosted by media reports, which was stating that Greece has at least 75% participation for its debt swap. Okay, I'm going to continue to read here. Several media reports are saying the take-up on Greek debt swap exceeds 75% late Wednesday night, citing government officials, and that the final rate is seen reaching about 82%. Blah, blah, blah. We don't focus a lot on news trades, although we are aware of when the important ones come out, when to trade and when not to trade. But we do believe that many news trades are already baked into the charts. However, because of many spikes that may take place during Forex news announcements, sometimes we won't participate in a trade based upon the fact that they may run stops, they may swing it back and forth like they did today with the euro. So the focus today was on the Aussie dollar, and we did hit our level. Now this was a key level in our trading room, and the key level was around that 106.70 level, and that came into play when we neglected to reach and blow through that. We ended up staying right at our second key level of 106.55, and the move down from there and the blast through certain moving averages, we ended up taking a short. That first short that we took was about 30 pips. Okay, we wrote it down. We waited at our next level. We waited for a break of that, and we turned it into two trades. Just being very cautious and protecting our capital along the way. So in reality, our last cover was right down here at the round number, and at that point it was about 10:45, and we exited the trading room. You could see since then there was indeed a move higher, so definitely glad we did not go ahead and keep that trade on. Sometimes we will keep a trade on with a stop and a target past our room session, but our rule is we won't do it more than once per week. We always set our stops in, and the stops can range anywhere between 15 to 40 pips. It's going to depend on the pair, the trading volatility, and every day is different. So let's move up to a higher time frame here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart, and you can just see that we did move up overhead resistance over here, but didn't blow through that and was sold down from our level. And again, second key level, we can see nicely closed almost to the pip right below there. So another indication that we were in the right direction. The basing came after some stops were taken out below the 20, and then a little reversal here. But very thin trading here at 2:14 p.m. when I'm making this video, and I very rarely trade past 10:45, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which would be New York time. So just wanted to give a trade recap. We had right around plus 30 to be exact, plus 28, and then we had plus 18. So we had a total plus 46 for the day. So check us out. We also went over the VIX, which was a trade that we went long on a little over a week ago. So if you want to check out some of the videos on that, you can then confirm our direction, which we had a really nice trade. In fact, I am still in on that VIX long. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up here, and I will try and make at least one more video before the weekends. Everybody have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you. Check us out at fxlivedaytrading.com.